Today for math, we're practicing greater than. So let's do a little bit of practice on Starfall before we do our Nearpod activity.
It's time to play! Blackberries!
Okay, so we have to count the ones on the left. 1, 2. So we're comparing 2, 2, 1. So this side has more. We need the mouth open to the side that has more, the left side.
2 is greater than 1.
Now we have bananas. Let's count the ones on the left. 1, 2. And the ones on the right. 1, 2. It's the same. So it's equal to.
2 is equal to 2.
So we replace the bananas with the number 2. They're still the same, even though instead of bananas, it's just the number 2. So we're going to say equals 2. 2 is equal to 2.
2 is equal to 2.
Okay, let's count the ones on the left. 1, and then 1, 2. Which one has more? This side has more, so I need the mouth open to the side that has more. 2 is bigger. So my mouth is open to the side that has more.
1 is less than 2.
1 more. So we replace the raspberries with the numbers 1 and 2. It's still the same amount. 2 is still more, so I still need my mouth open to 2.
1 is less than 2.
Here we go.
Super cool!
All right. Now to go to our Nearpod, we need the code LYRTF. Again, that's LYRTF. You're going to go to nearpod.com or the Nearpod app and enter our code LYRTF to join. You need to type in your name so I get to see all of your hard work. Now, we're looking for the number that's greater. I always label things first. But let's read the directions. Which is greater? Count the items in each row. Place the number in the box. Place a check mark in the small box next to the number that is greater. So we're being detectives looking for the number that's, greater. So we're going to label the first row when we count. I'll label for us 1, 2, 3, and now I want you to count them with me. 1, 2, 3. How many movies are in the first row? 3. Now I'll label the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many movies are in that row? 5. Now greater means bigger. We could just look at the pictures to see that this one has more. It's bigger. So 5 is bigger. It's greater. So we have 5 is greater than 3. Then hit submit. All right. Now let's count the buildings. I'll label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 buildings in the first row. Now I'll label the second row for us. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. How many buildings are in the second row? 3. So which one has more? Are you greater or are you bigger when you're 6 or when you're 3? You're bigger when you're 6. So 6 is greater than 3. You have more candles, a greater amount of candles on your cake when you're 6. When you're done filling in your boxes, hit submit. Okay, we read about Amy this week, and she is a golfer. So we have golf balls here. I'll label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 golf balls in the first row. Now I'll label the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 golf balls. So, now, would you rather have $10 or $7? Because you always want more or a greater amount of money so you can buy things at the mini mart. So would you rather have $10 or $7? I'd rather have 10 because it's more. 10 is greater than 7. When you're done filling in your boxes, hit submit and we'll go to the last problem. We have golfers like Amy to count here. I'll label first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 golfers. Okay, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want you to think about, let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 golfers in that row. Now I want you to think about something that you really like to eat. So Felicity, that's M&M's. So Alex, that would be your applesauce. Now let's count. Let's think. Would you rather have 5 containers of applesauce or 8? You'd rather have 8. You would rather have more because 8 is greater than 5. It's bigger. Hit submit and you're all done practicing greater than. What a good job you did.